Assalamu alaikum. How you people are? I hope you are doing well, and good morning for non-Muslims. My today's topic is about gypsum occurrence and where they have been occurred, and how they have been occurred, and why they have been occurred. Because there are so many W's for this mineral, so that I am discussing it in not I am not discussing elaborately. I am discussing it in limited values. Yes, so they are mostly occurred in sedimentary rocks in supratidal environment. Yes, and fishy type is evaporative. They found in massive bedded in salt range formation, needle shape in Kuldana formation, thin laminated form in Ghazij formation. To increase cement bounding capacity, gypsum used in construction of buildings. So there have been more uses in and more occurrence of gypsum in other areas, which side of occurrence is there, and where they are occurred, how they occurred in this mineral. I don't know how they have been occurred. It's been occurred in sedimentary rocks. It's vast knowledge, and I don't have more information basically, so I am discussing it in limited version. अगर किसी को पता है इन चीज़ों का, इनके इस जो मैंने नॉलेज दी है, इसके अलावा किसी को पता है कि इसके अलावा और कौन कौन सी नॉलेज हो सकती है, तो मुझे ज़रूर कमेंट में बताइएगा. मैं मेरे लिए बहुत ऑनर की बात होगी कि मैं ये चीज़ें फिर से दोबारा से इनके ब्लॉग बनाऊं और इन चीज़ों को डिटेल में बताऊं. और थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम वेरी ब्लेस्ड टू हैव दीज नॉलेजेस, and prayer for me, as there are so many people in our country who suffered a lot in every disease, oh sorry, with some sort of diseases. I am here to I am here for making prayer for them, because uh, because I feel I have to pray for them, and remember my knowledge, and give me feedback that why gypsum is occurring in sedimentary rock, why they don't occur in igneous rock, why they have problem in occurrence of their in occurrence of these minerals in igneous rock. And I think there are so many rock types. There is sedimentary rock types, igneous rock types, and metamorphic rock types. If you people know these rock types, then comment me and tell me gypsum occurrence is almost there in metamorphic or igneous rock. Is there any occurrence in igneous rock and metamorphic rocks? Then comment me, because I have limited knowledge, and I don't have extraordinary knowledge. So थैंक यू सो मच. एंड हाँ सच, मैंने आपको एक और बात भी बतानी थी कि जिप्सम को हम क्यों इतना स्टडी करते हैं, इसके बारे में हमें इतनी नॉलेज कैसे है कि ये जिप्सम ज़्यादा कम्युनिटी में मिलता है, ज़्यादा एनवायरनमेंट में मिलता है कहीं, हमें इन चीज़ों का क्यों नहीं पता चलता. मुझे इस बारे में ज़रूर बताइएगा, और मुझे इस चीज़ का अच्छा लगेगा, मुझे ये चीज़ अच्छी लगेगी कि ये चीज़ें क्यों हैं ऐसी, और इसके बारे में हमें क्या पता लगता है कि हम इंडस्ट्री बना लेते हैं इस चीज़ की. इंडस्ट्री ना नहीं बना सकते तो हम कोई ऐसी चीज़ बना लेते हैं जिससे हमें इस चीज़ का अंदाज़ा हो, इससे हमें पता हो कि ये चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.